Hello and welcome to another update video about Render. Yeah, we haven't covered it for a while, but to be honest, not much has happened. It's still a chart that's low quality, and I don't want to, I don't mean this is a bearish chart or anything or a bad project. It's more like, you need certain structures for highly reliable setups and so on. And I know people love Render and they ask me for updates. The chart is just not high quality. Okay, that just has to do with the situation that this chart doesn't give us any impulse. It gives us a diagonal potentially, okay, and we're tracking upside here, but it's just not impulsive, making it extremely difficult. The chart produced an all-time low in this bear market, and since then we only have 3 waves up. So that gives me unclear probabilities, right? It gives me in the white count here an ABC structure to the upside. And we have a valid 1-2 setup, basically. Wave 1 to the downside, wave 2 to the upside, and we could completely break down afterwards. The risk is there, that's in this chart. Is it what I primarily watch for? No, because the trend is actually up of this June 22 low. So for more than a year, we've been in an uptrend. So, we are tracking upside, and the yellow count is primary, and it's the diagonal. And it indicates we had a wave 1 here, a wave 2, a wave 3. See, and now this is where it's getting a little bit uncertain. Did the wave 4 already find a low here? It looks like a 3-wave move. So is that a wave 3? Sorry, a wave 4. And we're already in the wave 5. That would have to be an ABC structure. A wave, B wave, C wave. Or is the wave 4 still in the making? That's just unclear. So 1, 2, 3, and then A overshooting B wave. It's not even overshooting, it's just a high B wave, and then the C wave down. So there is a bearish scenario in the white count. Let's not focus on that at the moment. That will really only get highly relevant below 84 cents. Until then, there is a fight of 2 wave counts. One is basically that we're already in circle wave 5. Which could take us to $4.19, $5.36, possibly even $7.32. And that would mean we are now possibly entering a B wave pullback before rallying higher. Haven't got a clear signal that this A wave has topped, but it could have. The other scenario is if that support breaks, that micro support at 146, which is the B wave support, then the wave 4 likely never finished. And we can reset a little lower around $1.06 and 84 cents. But for now, I am watching the yellow support area here in case we come down. The thing is, I only see 3 waves down of the last high, which is, to be honest, which is not bearish because this rather would emphasize trend continuation. But I'm watching if this is already part of that B wave, okay? The A wave has come down high enough, I'd say. We're just now watching for a potential B wave pullback. And if we obviously get a break above 269, I would count that at the moment as an extension of the A wave. It could then hit $2.96, and above that level we have $4.19. But yeah, at some point, if we get that B wave pullback, if it happens, then it could provide a favorable reward to risk ratio for an entry point. I'm just adding the 38.2 fib level as well, which is a bit shallow, but sometimes these B waves can be shallow. So that would be at $1.98. So we've got fib support at 198, 181, 166, and 146. Below 146, the idea that the wave 5 has started is decreasing in probabilities. So that means, in other words, we can basically focus on higher against $1.46. That's my update about Render. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.